This is Rudra Surgical. We are manufacturer and supplier of laparoscopy, urology, gynecology instrument and equipment. Now I am going to explain about a hysteroscopy set. This is working element 26 FR for 4 mm scope. This is high frequency cable, and these are the loops. Coiling knife, roller ball and cutting loop. This is resectoscopy inner outer sheath. And this is optical telescope 4 mm 30 degree. We are providing 1 year replacement warranty for the same. Optical telescope 4 mm 30 degree, made by Bolang company. Now I am going to explain about how to use this TRP set. First, remove this This is resectoscopy 24 FR sheath. This is working element 26 FR for 4 mm scope. First we have to connect loop electrode here. After this, you have to put optical telescope in working element. And this is the monopolar and bipolar cable. Monopolar cable you have to connect here, and bipolar cable you have to connect here. And this side you have to connect in a cautery machine. Now your TRP set ready for use. Thank you so much. Have a great day. If you want to buy this full set, this hysteroscopy full set, you have to contact given number, or you have to email us. Thank you so much.